I'll let you guys listen to what it's supposed to sound like. Okay. Now the real song goes, hot cross buns, hot cross buns, 1 penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. So that's not going to be in this video. Well, I just sang it to you guys. But anyway, that's just how it's supposed to go. But it's supposed to be on the recorder. That's the background. But to warm up your recorder first, put it under your arm. That warms up your recorder. So I'll do that while I'm telling you guys. So, bag. It's B-A-G. Which you can see right here at the back. There's only one little hole. But if you get just the right clear, you can see there's the letter B. Isn't that weird? Well, that's telling you that the first letter is B. By the way, this is a soprano recorder, not an alto. Some people thought it was an alto. But it's not. It's a soprano. Never, ever play it like this, though. That will just come out like, oh, that hurts people's ears. So, please be careful when you do this. But B is supposed to sound like this. Hang on. Yeah. That's B-A-G. Bag. So, B, and then follow my fingers. And then A is with your middle finger, pointer and middle finger, and thumb on the back. Make sure it's covering the holes, because if there's any leakage, which means it's not covered, it will make this sound. No. And if you blow too much air, that's what it will sound like. That even hurt my ears. So please, just do this. So in order to do it right, you can say two, 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 into the recorder. Like, try this. Make your mouth the movement of saying two. See? And then G is all three. These 3 fingers plus your thumb on your recorder. This is all on your left hand. Make sure it's your left hand or else this won't work. Posture right. Do not go let all your back, neck, and all over here relax. I'm standing up. You could sit down if you want, but make sure your posture is right. Just relax yourself. Now that you learned bag, let's try this all together. not how it goes. It goes. Now try singing that very fast 3 times, or playing that is what I should say. Let's see if I can do it. Hang on. That's the wrong way to play it. Can you tell me how I play? What's the difference between playing it wrong and playing it right that time? I play it wrong a lot. It's alright. Sounds the same. But do not play it like that. Please. So, there we go. Tutorial on how to play it. Now remember, I'll do this sometimes. But get this to 5,000 likes and subscribes in order for me to teach you a low note, one of the low notes. Bye-bye. Subscribe, like, and smash that notification bell down. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.